Today is Wednesday, May 28th, and this is your forecast for the central United States. And although we've seen some gaps in the parade of low pressure systems, we got yet another area of low pressure coming through, which will be quickly followed by another one here for the end of the week. So it looks like the parade will continue, at least for now. But this is a look at the weather map. We got an area of low pressure that's coming up through the Great Lakes today. So from just west of Chicago up through Michigan and down through portions of the mid-Atlantic into the northeast, an area of some scattered showers. The next area of low pressure is already on deck. That one coming out of the Rockies will bring some showers our way for the end of the week, but that one's a fast mover, so it should be out of here just in time for the weekend. Let's get on with the forecast around the country. We start off here in the Midwest, Detroit, with clouds and some showers today, barely 60. Clouds and some scattered showers here in Grand Rapids, 66. Near 60 in Chicago and about mid-60s in Cleveland. We're hovering much closer to 70 over there in Minneapolis and Des Moines with a mix of sun and clouds. Generally cloudy, maybe a couple of showers nearby for Cincinnati and Louisville. Most of that staying up to your north from now. Nashville and Memphis up around 80, St. Louis at 77 today. Well, over the next couple of days, it is going to turn milder here throughout the Midwest. So we will get to about 77 despite some showers and thunderstorms in the forecast on Friday. A cool front comes through just before the weekend, so near 70 for Saturday and Sunday. But it looks like it's going to be a much warmer weather pattern starting off next week, which will kick off the first week of June. Chicago warming up here into Friday, a little bit cooler for the weekend, much more summery heading into next week. As we slide off to the southeast, what the difference here between Washington and Wilmington. So there's a warm front right about here attached to that area of low pressure. No doubt about it. 20-degree swing there. 85 in Charleston, 88 in Savannah, 82 in Atlanta, Georgia. Both Savannah and Atlanta could see some scattered showers and storms. Same for you in New Orleans. There's a front right about there. 81 degrees over there in Dallas and 92 in Tampa. As we look ahead here, holding pretty steady. This is about as steady as it gets here in the southeast, so don't expect any big changes in our temperatures here in the coming days. Down in South Florida, it's partly sunny, already off to a pretty warm start. It's going to be pretty hot this afternoon. There's a chance for a couple of thunderstorms. Looks like most of those will stay up through maybe a little bit closer to Orlando up in central Florida. 83 and warm for us later on this evening. It gets a little bit hotter here for the end of the week with highs closer to 90. And then maybe just slightly cooler with a little bit of a wind off the ocean early next week. All right, that's your Wednesday morning weather update. I hope your week's been going well so far. You only got a few more days left here. A shorter week thanks to that holiday on Monday. I will see you on Friday. Until then, good things.